Hello everyone, myself Ivani Sharma from Arcade Campus. In today's class, I discuss about the immunity, what is immunity and the types of immunity and strategies. Introduction to immunity. This presentation provides an in-depth explorations of immunity. We will discuss the various type of immunity and their mechanisms, the significance of immunization, strategies in the protecting public health. What is the immunity? Immunity refers to the body's ability to resist or defend against the infection and disease. It involves a complex network of the cell, tissue, and organs that work together to identify and eliminate the pathogens. Next is the innate immunity explained. Innate immunity is the first line defense. It includes the physical barrier like skin and mucous membranes as well as the immune cells like the phagocytes and the natural killer cells that respond quickly to invaders. Next is the adapter immunity. Adaptive immunity is characterized by its specificity and the memory. It involves the B cells and T cells, specific antigens, and provide the long-lasting protections against future infection. Next is the humoral immunity. Humoral immunity is mediated by B cells which produce antibodies that neutralize pathogens. This type of immunity is crucial for defending against extracellular pathogens and toxins. Cell-mediated immunity. Cell-mediated immunity involves T cells that target and destroy infected cells. This response is vital for combating the intracellular pathogens such as the viruses and some bacteria. Vaccination and immunization. Vaccination is a method to stimulate the immune system to develop immunity against specific diseases. It introduced a harmless component of the pathogens promoting an immune response without causing illness. Next is the type of vaccines. Vaccines can be classified into the several types: inactivated, live, attenuated, subunit, and mRNA vaccines. Each type has a unique mechanism and efficacy is in the provoking an immune response. Next is the herd immunity. Herd immunity occurs when a significant portion of a population becomes immune either through the vaccination or the previous infections. This helps to protect those who are not immune by reducing the overall spread of disease. Next is the challenges in immunization. Despite the benefits of immunization, challenges remain including vaccine hesitancy, accessibility issues, and the misinformations. Addressing these challenges is crucial for the achieving widespread immunity. Conclusion: understanding the type of immunity and the role of the immunization strategies is essential for the public health. Promoting the vaccines and overcoming challenges can lead to a healthier society and reduce the disease outbreaks. Thank you for watching.